Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best Snow Joe blower is probably one of the most essential tools for homeowners looking to tackle winter's wrath with efficiency and ease, offering a powerful yet manageable solution to keep driveways, walkways, and patios clear of snow, ensuring you're not left stranded or struggling with heavy shovels during those inevitable snowfalls. Number 5. Snow Joe SJ SHLV01 Snow Shovel. Introducing the Snow Joe SJ SHLV01, your ultimate companion for clearing snow. This tool is designed to make winter chores significantly easier. Its impact-resistant blade is built to withstand tough jobs and resist wear. You can rely on its long-lasting performance season after season. Experience superior comfort with its D-ring handle grip. It promotes better posture and reduces the need to bend, minimizing strain on your body. The innovative handle acts as a fulcrum, enhancing shoveling mechanics. This design significantly reduces stress on your back and arms. Enjoy enhanced lifting power thanks to added leverage for your lower hand. It allows you to move heavier loads more efficiently with less effort. This shovel is built for comfort, durability, and ease of use. It simplifies challenging winter tasks, making snow removal more effective. What we like. This shovel is built for durability and comfort. Its spring-assisted design and ergonomic handle reduce strain on your back and arms. If you have a lot of heavy snow to move or suffer from back pain, this is the tool for you. What people say. It is very light and easy to handle. It blows snow very well and is easy to assemble. It is a great little blower for light snow. Number 4. SnapFresh 20V Cordless Leaf Blower. Tired of struggling with heavy yard tools? Introducing a lightweight, cordless solution designed for comfortable, one-handed use. Its ergonomic handle reduces fatigue, making yard work a breeze for everyone. Tackle any mess with adjustable power. Easily switch between 2 speed modes to handle everything from light dust to stubborn leaves. Get the right airflow for every task, every time. Keep your yard looking its best without interruption. This tool offers up to 25 minutes of runtime on a single charge. Plus, the included fast charger gets you back to work in about 50 minutes. Achieve precise cleaning wherever you need it. Its detachable tube allows for focused airflow, perfect for driveways, patios, and garages. When you're done, its compact design stores away easily. Experience lasting performance with its advanced copper motor. Built for durability and efficient operation, it provides stable airflow and reliable power for all your outdoor cleaning needs. We're here to help whenever you need us. Enjoy professional 24-hour after-sales service for any questions or support regarding your new tool. Your satisfaction is our priority. What we like. This blower is incredibly lightweight and easy to handle. With 2 speed settings and a fast-charging battery, it's perfect for quick cleanups. If you're looking for a convenient tool for light debris on your patio or sidewalk, this is a great choice. What people say. It is very light and easy to use. It is powerful and does a great job clearing snow. The battery life is impressive, lasting for a long time on a single charge. Number 3. Snow Joe SJ625E 15-amp corded electric snow blower. Tackle mid-sized driveways and walkways with ease. This powerful electric snowblower makes clearing snow quick and simple, even after a heavy snowfall. Forget about gas, oil, and messy tune-ups. Its convenient electric design ensures reliable performance whenever bad weather strikes, offering a cleaner and easier solution. With a robust 15-amp motor, it moves up to 800 pounds of snow per minute. The adjustable chute directs snow up to 20 feet away, keeping your cleared areas clean. Its durable steel auger cuts a path 21 inches wide and 12 inches deep. This efficient design allows for rapid snow removal, saving you time and effort. Designed with compact wheels for effortless maneuverability, it also includes a cord for easy connection to an outdoor extension cord. This provides ample reach for your entire driveway. What we like. This corded electric snow blower offers powerful performance for its size. It clears a good path and throws snow effectively, with no need for gas or oil. If you have a mid-sized driveway and want a hassle-free electric option, this is a solid pick. What people say. This snow blower is lightweight and easy to handle, making snow removal a breeze. The powerful motor clears snow quickly and efficiently, even heavy, wet snow. Its compact design allows for easy storage in tight spaces. Number 2. Snow Joe SJ627E 15-amp corded electric snow blower. Tackle heavy snow with a powerful 15-amp motor that provides gas-like performance. It moves up to 840 pounds of snow per minute, offering a quiet and maintenance-free experience. Clear more snow in less time with a generous 22-inch clearing path. Its 13-inch intake depth is ideal for light to moderate snowfalls on paved surfaces. Direct snow exactly where you want it with the 180-degree adjustable chute. You can precisely discharge snow up to 25 feet away. The heavy-duty all-steel auger features rubber-tipped blades for ground-level clearing. It effectively removes snow while protecting your driveway surfaces from damage. Remove snow even in low-light conditions thanks to dual LED headlights. Its compact design and wheels ensure easy maneuverability, even in tight areas. What we like. This model is designed for high-capacity clearing with a wider path. The dual LED lights make it great for early morning or late evening snow removal. If you have a large driveway and need to clear snow efficiently, this is the one to consider. What people say. It is very lightweight and easy to handle. It blows snow very well and is powerful. Number 1. Snow Joe 48V Cordless Snow Blower Kit, 24V X2, SB18. Experience zero-emission snow clearing with the power of our exclusive IMAX 24-volt lithium-ion battery system. This model comes with two 4.0Ah batteries for efficient operation. Tackle snow with ease thanks to its heavy-duty auger. It clears an impressive 18-inch wide and 10-inch deep path in just one pass. Take full control of snow displacement with the adjustable 180-degree chute. You can direct snow up to 20 feet away, precisely where you need it. Don't let darkness stop you. The integrated 2-watt LED headlight provides enhanced visibility for safer and more effective operation, anytime. Enjoy the ultimate freedom of movement without the hassle of extension cords. Its cordless design offers unparalleled convenience for all your snow clearing needs. Need more power? You can easily expand your runtime by purchasing additional IMAX batteries. This allows you to tackle even the heaviest snowfalls with extended performance. What we like. Experience true freedom with this cordless snow blower. It comes with 2 batteries for extended runtime and an LED headlight for visibility. If you value mobility and want to tackle snow without being tethered by a cord, this is an excellent option for your driveways and sidewalks. What people say. This snow blower is very lightweight and easy to maneuver. It clears snow quickly and efficiently, even wet and heavy snow. The adjustable handle makes it comfortable to use for people of different heights. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.